Hello, my name is Ibrahim Mukaila and I am an instructor of Zacrac Learning. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a measure table. It is a number set in Power BI to try to create measure, different kind of measures. And most people will just put it in different tables. If you are, for instance, I have the table customer here, and if I'm creating a measure that has to do with customer, I'll just keep it in the customer table. I have another table called employees. If I'm creating a measure that has to do with employees, I just put um, the the measures inside the table employee. But what if you can create a measure table itself that all it holds is just measures? How do you do this? Let's get going. So what you need to do is to create a dummy table. You can use a table you already have, or you create a dummy table. Well, what I do is create a table. So to do that, I just go and click on Enter Data under the Home tab, and I just give it a name. So let's call that table my measure table. And I'm just going to leave it as it is like this, and I'm going to just load it in. So once it loads in, it's like the all other table, like the same. You see, this. It's like the normal table here. So to turn it into a measure table, what I need to do is to first create a measure inside it. Let's say I want to create a measure. Let me click on it and create a new measure, and I'm just going to call that table total customer. Just a simple measure. I'm just going to count the rows of my customer table. And I'm not just to do enter. So the first thing you need to first create a measure first. After creating a table, you need to create at least one measure in it. The next thing is to, you see there's a column one that is there, you hide that column. So I click on the three dots in front of that column and I go and hide. So once I hide that column, see what happens. It changes to this measure signal. Yeah. So this is because I'm using the latest version of Power BI desktop. If you are not using the latest one, it might still not change to this. You might have to hide this field, collapse it, and expand it again. And then you start seeing this. So this becomes my measure table, and I can now save my measure there. I can go as far as create hierarchies for that measures. For instance, the measure of customers will be in the customers folder. So how do you do this? So let's come here to my model. I'm just going to click on that total customers, and I'm going to come here and inside this display folder, and I'm going to call it customer. I'm just going to do enter. So if we go back to our report page, I can see I'm seeing the folder for customer. If I expand it, I'm seeing my menu. So I can create different folders inside that measure table. That would just be for those measures I needed to that are related to each other. So this is how to create a measure table and also create a folder within those measure table. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to learn more on analytics with Power BI and other data science courses, kindly log on to www.sacraclearning.com. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to drop your comments below. Bye for now.